Check this video to learn how to remove the passcode from your iPhone. You can permanently or temporarily disable the passcode through the Settings app on your iPhone. Here's how to turn off various iPhone passcodes. For iPhone X and later versions, head to your iPhone's Settings page and scroll down to Passcode menu. Find the option for Face ID and Passcode. When asked to enter the current password, enter it and proceed to choose the Turn Password Off option. You will get a small dialog box asking for confirmation. Choose the option Turn Off. For older iPhones, head to Settings, then look for Passcode menu. Select Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your current password and choose the Turn Off Passcode option. Finally, when the dialog box appears, confirm that you want to turn it off by clicking Turn Off. You can also remove the passcode from your iPhone by erasing it remotely using the Find My feature, but this feature should be enabled on your device before you can use it. Here is how to get rid of the passcode on iPhone via the Find My function. Head to iCloud website on any browser of your computer. After opening the iCloud website, log into your account using the correct Apple ID and passcode. Choose Find My iPhone from the options listed and then select all devices. Finally, click on the Erase iPhone.